Freaking 2 feet of snow. All right, guys, so it is cam day here for the Hardbody. So we're gonna be getting a Lunati cam kit in the 305. Hopefully it's a pretty simple process. And that's gonna be our main objective for today. So we'll get some heat running in here. This is like the first day has been 30 in like a couple weeks now. It's been a lot colder, so get some heat going and finally get into some of this car stuff.
I don't know why the hose is that.
All right, guys, so we're just gonna do the tear down. So we get the radiator out. Carb's gotta come off. Intake's gotta come off. Valve covers, all that typical stuff. So we're gonna tear this down, and then we can finally get into pulling everything off the front. Okay, so get everything off the top end. Gonna go ahead and see if we can get the balancer off. Not sure if we need a puller or not, but we're gonna see if we can get it off without one, and then we'll go ahead and start tearing out all this stuff. Wouldn't be any one of our videos without saying that we have to go to Harbor Freight, so gotta go get a harmonic balancer puller. Harmonic balancer, yeah. Puller tool. Whatever. We gotta go get one, so going to Harbor Freight. They got a coupon and a lifetime warranty, so we'll probably break it.
What the fuck do you want?
Are you gonna start whacking it off?
Professional whacker off.
Here's our cam kits. We got our cam. We got our valve springs. We've got a decal. We got another decal that's already stuck to this for some reason. That's all the rollers. The valve locks. We got our retainers here. The timing set. And the instructions.
Like you can't use a flat tap.
Yeah.
Ow. The can spins so easy.
It's like a game of whack-a-mole. And then you just gently, slowly pull it out. Support it up a little bit more. Support it up a little bit more. There you go.
Just gotta watch them cam bearings. Changing those are not fun. There's my black cam right there.
Boom. She out.
So there's that.
All right, so now that we've got this out, we'll go ahead, take that off the sprocket, and got a whole new sprocket set, so you can just get that set up on there. All right, what we got?
201 20312.
So now we're just gonna soak the lifters, get them in some motor oil. We'll go ahead and put them in.
They might have gone a fucking flat tap. I was under the impression that this was already a hydraulic roller motor.
So we've got all the lifters in. This is as far as we can go right now. You have to measure to get your rod length here. Yeah, we have to measure to get the right length push rod. You can see these are riding up much higher than the old ones over here. So just gonna have to do the geometry there. There's a tool you can get for this. We're not entirely sure yet. We did reach out to Lunati. And once we have that, we'll order the right push rods. All right, guys, so our stock rods here are 7 7/8. So we're just gonna need to remove 3/8, the longer length here, and just get a rod that is 3/8 of an inch shorter. So we'll get those ordered. When they come in, we can go ahead and start putting everything back together. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Need some more feed on that. Feed it. So we got everything we need to put the motor back together. We measured for the rods and stuff, so that should be good for the push rod. We have the right length now. Got those ordered and got them in. So we're putting things back together, but it ain't like last year. I think it's about 13 degrees out right now, so we're doing our best. Keep our fingers working. Yeah, we're just gonna crack into it. Work's gotta get done either way. Sometimes that's what it's like when you're in the north. So is it the right direction, buddy?
Hell, who's the mechanic here?
I mean, neither of us technically at this time.
Who's had a job as a mechanic?
Well, what was your title?
Mechanic.
Mechanic. So, sniper's on. Pretty much everything's together. Just gotta get throttle cable hooked up.
Silicone needs to dry.
Silicone's gotta dry in the intake. And we still need a longer bolt for that. And that's pretty much, I don't know, that's pretty much at the point, right? Like,
Yeah.
insert.
We gotta figure out manifold still. And
Yeah, I gotta figure out the exhaust stuff. And see what we're gonna do with that. Maybe it's just we are falsely believing that we can have like some fictitious thing someday where doing a build isn't constantly rushed. But yeah, I mean, it takes some time to get this stuff done.
I think we just like to torch ourselves.
Yeah, we just like to torture ourselves. But it's crazy, like one part missing, right? And you're just out like another week. There's really nothing you can do about it, and it's a swap vehicle, so fortunately doing stuff like this can kind of move slow. And that's pretty much all it is.